This is why you need Ubuntu Linux on your PC. It's sleek, fast, and super secure. First, download the Ubuntu ISO file from the official website. Next, grab a USB drive, at least 4 GB, and use a program like Rufus to create a bootable USB. Once that's ready, plug the USB into your PC and restart it. You'll need to enter the BIOS or boot menu, usually by pressing F2, F12, or delete during startup. Select the USB drive to boot from. Now you'll see the Ubuntu installation screen. Click Install Ubuntu. Follow the prompts, choose your language, keyboard layout, and whether to install third-party software. When you get to the installation type screen, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry, this will only affect the selected drive. Click Install Now, confirm your choices and let Ubuntu work its magic. Once finished, restart your PC, remove the USB drive and voila! You've got Ubuntu Linux up and running. Welcome to the world of Linux. Enjoy your new, efficient, and customizable operating system.